rejection, no turning down. Stay relaxed, lying next to me. No confessions, let me keep you warm. You're in a place where you can be you. Open your heart, let this feeling in. You don't have to go, you can stay, be part of my universe. Sort of going back to their roots, live for today. You no longer need to feel as if you're going to the motions. Have a lovely time in my arms, I'll keep you safe. You're looking different, gorgeous to me. But I don't even know what can make you laugh. So no commitment, simply honesty. You're in a place to where you belong. You shouldn't believe you soared too high. By the cosmic dust, just in between of dark and light. Let's put it right, that's what I try.